In today's video, I'm going to be making banana bread. I'm going to mash the banana. I've got 3 really ripe bananas in here and 2 eggs. I'm mashing those up together. I know it looks gross, but it is what it is. And then I'm going to be adding half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of regular sugar, this is about half a cup of margarine, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Well, I'll put the baking soda in a bit. I'll go ahead and mash this up some more. I don't have any walnuts, so I'm going to be using pecans. But I'm going to add to this mixture 2 cups of flour and the teaspoon of baking soda. And then I'm going to put it in the loaf pan once I get it all mixed up. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, since I have no adequate loaf pan, I've put the banana bread mix in this little Pyrex. It's about 4 by 6, I guess. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 325 for about 45-50 minutes. Hopefully it comes out good. We'll see. Okay guys, the banana bread is done now. 50 minutes was not long enough, so I had to leave it in there for 10 more minutes, but it looks to be done. It was still pretty jiggly, is why I left it in there. I'm going to cut in here and lift this out. There we go, it is done. See? Done all the way through. It took an hour. I'm going to try this. Tastes good. There you have it. I like things on the sweet side, so I probably could have added another 1/4 cup of sugar. Probably the brown sugar, but it tastes good the way it is. And you can see the pecans in there too. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.